on, everyone? It's Johnny here with TraderX, and I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a daily recap of how my day trading went and let you guys know my thoughts on the NASDAQ and where it could be headed. So today I only took one trade and it was on ticker symbol ENSV. So let me go ahead and show you guys exactly where I bought in and bought out. And so once it loads really quick, so I only took one trade on it, and I did so at around 6:33 in the morning. You can see here that I got filled at 110, and I sold it a few minutes later at 6:35 at 115. And so let me go ahead and break down this trade and why I even saw value in the first place. So what I did was in the morning I went on the top gapper list on ThinkorSwim, and I saw, although ENSV is all the way down here, it was in the morning, I believe it was number 3 or 4 on the top gapper list. So what that told me was that lots of people were watching the stock, right? And it was giving it lots of momentum. So as you can see in the morning right here, we did see this spike of about 14, almost 15% right off the bat. And that's one of the reasons why it was up here on one of the top gappers lists, right? Lots of people were paying attention to it. So what I did was I waited for it to pull back because I didn't want to get filled somewhere up here and risk it flushing me down, right? That would have been like a 6 to 7% loss, and so that's something I didn't want to risk or take part in at all. So what I did was I waited for it to get overextended, pull back to the middle VWAP, and right around this area I viewed it to be a good deal. So I decided to get in originally with $2,500, and I did cut it 2 minutes later, mostly because I saw it struggling. As you can see, once it pulled back here, it tried going again, but it was hesitating around this area, and once it did begin to pop up a bit, I was satisfied with the trade and the way it went, so I decided to go ahead and cut it, which ultimately was a good call because it ended up flushing down a bit before it ultimately ended up running. And so this trade alone put me up $115 on the day, so not too bad. It was only one trade, and within a few minutes I was done within 5-6 minutes of the market open, so definitely nothing to complain on that. And in terms of the NASDAQ today, it actually performed pretty well, right? So as you guys can see, it was making these higher highs and higher lows, and it was pretty much just it killed it on the day. So if you can see these higher time frames, it pushed all the way up to here, so it is a little more overextended. I didn't want to make you guys aware of that. As you can see, it has been making these lower highs, lower lows, right? And normally when it approaches these higher levels around the SMA line, it does tend to get rejected. So I did want you guys to be aware of that in case you guys I don't want you guys thinking that just because it had this nice green day, everything's gonna go back to the way it was. It typically is getting rejected around these levels, so if we do see a pullback, we shouldn't be too surprised, right? But yeah, that was pretty much my day trades for the day. I only took that one trade, and I look forward to tomorrow. Hopefully we end the week on a green note, and we end strong heading into the weekend. I am currently a little red on the week, but tomorrow could be a day that puts me in the green, so I'm definitely going to try to keep my best practices tomorrow in terms of buying in at smart points and managing that risk, right? That's also very big. So I hope you guys killed it today and were able to take advantage of the market pushing up, and I will see you guys tomorrow and keep you guys posted. Have a good rest of your day.